4, got a good feeling with Kelly Roberts, owned by Amanda Watson. In 6, Best is Good Enough, owned by Rancho Miranda, written by Michael Hoyt. In 7, on both cards, Mac and Cheese Please, with Lindsay LaPlante. And 8 on both cards, Mocha Jane and Anthony Montez. Under George Stephen June, in first place, I Shot the Sheriff with the partner. In second, Signature Absolute with Terry J. In third, Got a Good Feeling with Kelly Roberts. In fourth, Hot Flashes with Ben MacArthur. In fifth, Sparkle Package, Jerry McClure. And in sixth, Best is Good Enough with Michael Hoyt. And I'm going to have our overall placings, and we're going to be presenting our awards here right by the announcer's booth. So here are our overall fraternity awards.
And walk now, please. All walk. And lope now, please. Show now to lope. Lope, please. And walk, please. All walk. Walk, please.
And congratulations to our champions in our 3-year-old trail fraternity. That is Signature Absolute, owned by Nancy Reed, and written by Terry McKay. Congratulations to Nancy, Terry, and Signature.
And reverse, please. Reverse at the walk and continue to walk. Reverse and walk, please.
3-year-old trail fraternity.
And lope now, please. Show now to lope. Lope, please.
I would like to congratulate our second champion and junior trail. Second champion, junior trail, this is Brian Jr., owned by William Carr. Congratulations, second champion, junior trail.
Bless you.
This is Brian Unfield. Our reserve champions and senior trails, congratulations to Brothers on the Road, on my J unit and moving by Jason Lane.
Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll here. I got first up to go.
And jog now, please. Show now the jog. Jog, please.
Then we're ready for horse on the coast. Horse on the coast road.
And walk now, please. All walk. Walk, please. And stop now, please. All stop. And back up, please. Back them up now. Thank you. Walk them in, line them up, please. Walk them in, line them up. 11 and under. Western Pleasure, you're next.
You can get somebody up here. Somebody's got to get ready to go.